Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of importing passwords into Chrome on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. Launch the Chrome browser on your PC. Step 2. Click on More. Located at the top right corner of the browser window, click on the 3 vertical dots to reveal a drop-down menu. Step 3. Click Google Password Manager. From the drop-down menu, select the Google Password Manager option. Step 4. Access Settings. Within the Password Manager, click on the Settings option. Step 5. Import Passwords. In the Settings menu, locate the Import Passwords section. Step 6. Click Select File. Under the Import Passwords section, click on Select File to choose the file containing your passwords. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to import passwords into Chrome on your PC. Keep your passwords organized and easily accessible for a seamless browsing experience. That's all for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.